welcome back to my channel, and for the one that it's the first time here, welcome. This look was inspired by my favorite artist, Cardi B. And this is the look, well, it's a similar look that she has on the Pepsi commercial, a Cardi Carol. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. And before we get in this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into this tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm starting with my eyebrows already done, and to prime my eyelids, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Fair. And for this look, I'm using 3 palettes. I know it's a lot. I will be using the 35B palette for my crease color, and then to blend out my crease color, I will go in with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the color Bright, and I will be using the lightest blue shade from this palette. And on my eyelids, on my lids, I will be using the Morphe times James Charles palette, and I will go in with the color Hello. For eyeliner, I will be using the NYX Liquid Liner in the color Extreme Black. For foundation, I will go in with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the color Nutmeg. To highlight my face, I will be using 2 concealers. I will go in first with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon, and then on top of that, I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Fair. To set my highlighted areas, I will be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Translucent. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Powder Foundation in the color Cacao. To contour, I'm going in with the black Radiance contour palette in the color Dark to Deep, and I will be contouring my my cheekbones, sorry, and my nose, forehead, and jawline as well. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going in with the same colors that I've used on my crease and the color that I've used as a transition. So yeah, the two blues, I'm using it in my lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. The color that I'm using in my inner tear duct is Hello from the James Charles palette. And to highlight my face, I will be using the shade Face from the James Charles palette. To line my lips, I'm using the Cacao Bold eyeliner in the color brown, and for lipstick I'm going in with the NYX Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Embellishment, and on top of that I'm using a clear lip gloss from the beauty supply store. So this is the final look. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I really had fun recreating Cardi's look for the Pepsi commercial. I love her so much, and it was really fun doing a look similar to hers. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.